Hey there, Newton here. Welcome to the bite-sized tutorial series for FPS. Last time, we bullied a lot of enemies. Now, it's time for them to fight back. Open up our Godot project, and let's add a simple AI script on them. We'll add a detection area for the enemy. Add an area node, rename it to player detector. Add the collision shape, let's use a sphere then set its radius to 15. Now, we'll create the enemy head using a spatial node. Then the eyes by using a mesh instance. We'll use a cube mesh for it. Set its size to 0.75, 0.25, and 0.75. Its Z translation to 0.3. Then let's set its color to black. Now, adjust the head's Y translation to 0.5. We're going to make the enemy look at us when we enter its detection range. Open up the script, then add the variables needed. Add the physics process function, then its code. Let's connect the areas body entered and body exited signal. Then add the script. Now, the enemy will keep looking at us when we reach their detection area, then ignores us when we move out. Next, we'll make the enemy shoot at us. Add a mesh instance inside the head node, then name it gun. We'll create a cube mesh. Set its size to 0.2, 0.2, and 0.5. Then translation to 0.4, negative 0.3, then negative 0.7. Add the position 3D for its muzzle. And a shoot time timer that will set its wait time to 1.5. Referencing the nodes needed. Next, we'll add a single line of code on the area signals. Now connect the timeout signal from our timer. This will trigger after a set amount of time. Add the shooting code. We have created our first AI script. On the next episode, we will have the win and defeat state of the game. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon. Leave a like and comment, and until then, take one step at a time, and cheers!